Hi guys, welcome and welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's your girl Sarah Mukami, and if you're seeing this video for the first time, kindly subscribe to my channel. Yeah, so for today guys, I want to pay a visit to my home where I was born. I want to see, my brother has been building, so I want to go and see where he has reached in his building. So stay tuned guys and watch till the end.
Hello guys, welcome to Sarah's Kami's YouTube channel. I'm your guy Clinton Senso. Hey, and the quality seems good. Check it to your quality. Look at the quality.
Yeah.
So guys, go subscribe to my YouTube channel. I'm also a YouTuber.
Life
Clinton's
with Clinton.
Yeah, Life with Clinton.
Yeah.
Even Clinton Senso can work. And if you haven't subscribed, subscribe guys.
Subscribe guys. We're going to visit my brother's construction site. So kindly subscribe.
So we were heading to my brother's construction.
This is the wife,
site.
by the way. Say hi, Dad.
Yeah, I just love the nature of the village, like it's green, and that's something to brag about because the nature is good.
Yeah.
And you can see their shops. Yes, guys. So let's keep going.
So guys, we got a lift from the school Nissan. We've stopped here so we can get a motorbike and go to where we're going. Yes, so stay
guys,
tuned.
This road, you can see it's rough, it's dusty, so that's to show
Mingwa.
you the appearance of the village. It's not like the road we just come from, so it's dusty. So guys, that's of the houses, you can see the grass. I mean the roofing has grass. That doesn't mean that all houses in our village are made of they are built out of grass, like they use the roofing with grass. No, not all of them are like that. Some are permanent houses, but some are grass thatched houses. Yeah, let me say like that. They have grass. Yeah, some of them sorry about that, some of them are mud houses. Mud houses, I mean they're made of mud. Yeah, but it's looking good. Yeah, you'll find that people that live in mud houses are more happy. Yes.
So guys, we just arrived. We're sorting the motorbike, then we can head down there. We're using that route, the road there. So stay tuned. Ooh, thin roads.
Nyumba yangu jamani, nyumba yangu.
So guys, this is the route to our home. Yes, my father's home. So I'm going to show you where my brother is building. He has been doing construction. I've never been there. Behind me, they've planted what do we call miogo? Cassava. Yes, they've planted cassava. Yeah, they're farmers. All this you're seeing here is cassava. So let's go. Sindio?
Ata improve what in the next month, 1 month. It's ignored.
Chantafute tu do.
Kama already unajua kala certificate. Na kuna mshauri yao hata kwa shule hata tuseme mahali. Wale masikini sana baada hawajui kala.
Hadi numbers. So those are banana plantation. mangoes. Oh God, farmers, we are farmers. We are farmers. That's my uncle's home. This is another relative's home. Yani, we live like, should I say a clan? Like we are so many. Like we're so many. That's my uncle's home. So those are banana plantations you see over there. So we're here, guys. I'm heading to where my brother is building his house, his first house ever. Yeah, I'm going to show you where he's building his house, his first house. He got employed and then he married and decided to start building. So he has been building. This is the first time I'm going to visit that place. I've never been there. So today is the first time and I want to show it to you guys. I'm actually proud of him. It's not easy. So I'm super proud of my brother. He's doing at least something for himself, something good, something constructive. So stay tuned and watch till the end. Bananas. So guys, this is what he's building, though he has not finished. So I'll take you inside. He just started. I'll take you inside. He's going to put a wall from this place you're seeing here with sticks. He'll remove them and put wall once he has finished building the house. So let's get in. Let's go in. We go in. Hi, baby boy. So let's go. Let me show you in the inside. Okay, so before I show you guys, he just started, like he has not finished. So he's still working on it. So I just want to show you how it looks in the start, in the beginning. Yeah. So this is the house from outside. He has just done the outside and the roofing he has already finished. So as I told you, it's still under construction, you can see. Is complete. I think I'll do the next video showing you inside the house once it's complete. It's still under the process. Not yet complete. Hi, baby boy. Say you. Who's getting on my line? Who's getting on? Life. Aki, we even have avocado. Ama sisi ni avocado tree. But sasa I'm sure zikimea hata people don't get it. People are doing business. So guys, we just finished what we came to do here. We are going to look for motorbike from here to where we're going. Getting a motorbike is not easy. Yeah, actually they are farmers. So this is where my dad was. This is where he built. This is where he bought a plot of land. This is where his life started. Yeah, now it's my brother who has taken over after him. Yeah, he's late. So it's my brother who has taken over. He's building down there. At least there'll be a continuation of the Marigo family. Yeah, guys. Hi, baby. And my son is coming here for the first time. He has never been here. So he's coming to his grandfather's place for the first time. Yeah, but I feel good being home. It feels good. Yeah, it feels so nice being home. It feels good. So guys, right now we're going to look for motorbike. We need to go home, as I've told you, and getting motorbike from here is not easy. It's so difficult. Yeah, but we're going to get it because they usually pass one, and my brother's wife is is the weight, like she eats well. So getting a motorbike, that means it will be one motorbike, and it means we're going to share one motorbike. Yeah, so let me just show you the environment. I'm tired. Ooh, who's getting out my line? This is a farm. They've not planted anything right now.